Ice.
Ice. Are you gonna go? Did you like the park? Do you want to go next week? Did you meet friends at the park? Ice. Oh, I saw you hunt. Wait, let me say something. Give me a minute. Ice. You tell Mom about the girl you humped?
Are you a horny boy?
Ice, what have I told you? Hey. What have I told you about interrupting me? Ice, how hot was she? A 10?
Do you love her? Ice?
Oh, you
Ice?
miss her.
You want to go again to the dog park? Yes? You want to go?
Hey, we're gonna have to wait a week. Is a week too long?
Yes? You want to wait? Or you can't wait? Ice?
Ice, how about next week? Okay, not next week, sorry. How about tomorrow, Ice?
You want to go tomorrow? You want to go tomorrow? Yes?
Are you mad at your sister, Ice? Ice, what is she doing to you? Ice, what is your sister doing to you?
You like Kiara Ice?
Ice.
You love Kiara Ice?
Yes, that's good.
I love